So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the command prompt. Now, if you're getting this error on the Windows installation screen, then you want to click on Shift and F10 on your keyboard, which will now pull up the command prompt. And now once you're on this, you want to type in disk part, click on enter, wait for this to load. And now once that loads up, we're now going to type in list space disk and then click on enter again. And now we're going to type in select space disk space and now the number of the disk that you're having a problem with. You're going to know which one is which by the size. So for me, I've only got one disk, which is disk 0, and it's 20 gigabytes, which is my Windows drive. And I know it's my Windows drive because my Windows drive size is 20 gigabytes. So in your case, you just want to find the disk that you're having a problem with. It's going to be showing the number. So now once you identify your disk, you want to type in select space disk and now your number. I'm going to type in select disk 0 and then click on enter. And now we're going to type in list space partition and then click on enter. And you should now be seeing all the partitions on your selected disk, showing the details like partition number, the type, size and the offset. We're going to use this information to identify the protected partition that you want to delete. In my case, I have no partitions on this disk, so that's why it says this error for me. But in your case, you should now be seeing the partitions on your selected disk. You want to identify the correct drive partition number. Now once you've done that, you now want to type in select space partition and now the number of the protected partition. So let's just say for me it's going to be number 3 and then click on enter. Again, for me I don't have any partitions, so that's why it says this. But in your case, your protected partition should now be selected. And now you're going to type in delete space partition space override and then click on enter. And then once you do all of that, the problem should now be fixed.